Hi, I'm Martin, the homeowner. This is my daughter Kate, and this is Suki, my interior designer from the Interior Lab. Generally, we wanted a spacious, minimalist kind of a design with a little touch of Scandinavian. We just wanted to do more with less. So we met up with Suki at the office. We exchanged ideas. I gave her a little bit of the concept of what we wanted the house to be. We took a look at color samples and different materials, color schemes and stuff. After which we actually moved forward to 3D. We did a 3D representation of the design. I think the outcome was very favorable. After which I think we started the renovation, and I think the renovation took about 8 weeks, right? Yeah, about 8 weeks. Yeah, it was done in about 8 weeks. This is the kitchen, my favorite part of the house. Originally, the kitchen was very small. We had to knock down a storeroom to get the space. We did extensive carpentry, and I included the Decton top, which is actually one of my favorite features of the kitchen. And now we have space here for baking, cooking, and all our family activities. Generally, the workmanship, the carpentry, the electrical, and the plumbing were all very acceptable. There were no issues. In fact, we have actually been living here for quite some time. As you can see, everything is still all in good.
My favorite part of the house, which is my bedroom. I chose 3 colors for my wall: pink, purple, and white as unicorn.
I think generally I'm very happy with the service that Suki provided. She was very professional, and she was very prompt and very responsible during the entire renovation process. I think that although I did step away for a little while, I could leave the entire project with her in good hands. And I think the outcome was very good, right? Don't you think so?
Yes.
I think most importantly, Suki was willing to work within our budget and what we wanted. So it was a very good ID client chemistry, I would say. I would definitely recommend the Interior Lab to my family and friends, more so because of the responsibility of the interior designers in the Interior Lab.